We are live September 30th, 2025. Let's get into the charts for the NQ. Pre-market high 24,857.5, midnight open 24,843, and pre-market low 24,755.25. About 35 more seconds. Ooh, excuse me. Based on the setup, I would have preferred it to be down here for the pre-market low break, but this is looking to be a short type of day, at least for the drive. Let's see what we're gonna get. No elevated positions. It's not setting up that way. But I am flexible to either direction. No elevated positions. We're just gonna see where it goes. If it dojis, we'll take the side on where it dojis and get an even smaller position. Tons of indecision right now. Oh man, that's a horrible fill. Horrible fill. It's still bearish. Can it make a lower low on the 1 minute chart? Perfect. Yep. And then flush, 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 flush. Oh yeah, yeah. We'll go all out. We'll go all out for that small win. I'm waiting for a bounce, so we're all out for the small win. Still bearish. Don't long any of this action. Okay, a little bit of that going on. Ooh, that's good. That's a good sign. Great sign. Nice little fake out. And yep, we are printing again. And that's an improvement I need to do. There was 0 green candles, and here we go. We're off. Still did not make a higher high. Still selling off. Great. Everything is weak except for HUD, so that's just pretty funny to see. Need this to conquer the 2-minute highs here if I do decide to do any counter trend move. It's a little weird. Weird candle. My next level to see where something will happen is pre-market low, so bounce either there or break and then a small retest like these green candles, and we'll enter another position. But right now we're just waiting for the break. It did touch, so it did touch, so now we're waiting for the break. Yes, great. Huge pullback. Don't everyone join it at once. It's a bearish 1 minute. It's just consolidating, so this is not the setup I like. Push, 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 push. Okay, this is the break in quotations. Just gotta be careful here. Many times I've seen around pre-market low, if it doesn't have a true clean break, it gets ugly because one reversal, boom, all your premium for your options gets wiped out in just kind of in 1 minute. So it's not great. I wouldn't press on. Yeah, it's still following. So this is the candle probably. If it, yep, rockets up. Yep, that's what you do not want. So yeah, now all your premiums are this. I guess they would call it theta from that time decay. So this begs the question for me: what's the level, right? No, don't do it. It's not at exactly where you like it, so you don't need to force the trade. No forcing. Just react to the price action. So right now, there's a percentage, right? This right here, what it's doing right now is a bounce. So is there a possibility this can continue forward? Yes, but I haven't analyzed enough charts or seen enough patterns to kind of like, oh yeah, let's hammer this position. Yep, right. So it could have easily done one of those, and now you're from 1 minute you're already screwed 10%. I'm still gonna wait a little bit just to check out what the rotation does. Okay, not a higher high. I don't like the positioning of this, so I am gonna wait a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna wait 3 minutes, so I'm gonna take a short walk. We'll let the 15-minute or play out. We do have 10 a.m. news, so let's see if we have another trade. But otherwise, I'm just patiently waiting. This can go either way. My bias is slightly towards the long side based on kind of watching this for the last couple months, but I only talk in probabilities. I definitely don't know what the market's gonna do. Let's wait. And we're back, guys. Yep, I knew that felt like the move that was gonna happen. It's a 40% move. Let's see from Fibonacci which direction. I mean, it's at 50%. I mean, it's even a little higher. $50. 50% is at 780. Technically, it went above. So should I go long? Let's see what the chart does. See what the chart does. Hmm. Hmm. There's that break retest to the long side. Yeah, I think it's a break retest to the long side. Or maybe not. Ooh, confusing. If I have these dialogues with myself on either or, I think I should not trade the. Okay. This could be a key deciding factor, but of course not in an elevated way. If I do decide to take something, just seeing if it wants to bounce off the level or not. And we do have 10 a.m. news in 8 minutes. Okay, a 40% move from in 4 minutes. Don't feel the need to force a trade. You're reacting. You're reacting. Oh my gosh. Very awesome. 60% move. Yes, so that's what I wanted to see. Now, retest is the next following thing. Preferably a hold and a retest. I'm looking for. Okay, if it keeps going, oh well. I just couldn't have catch the move, you know. Maybe like a high risk short from the lower high. But just following my system. Perfect. What's not perfect is 10 a.m. news. So let's see. Okay, this is the retest. So now we have back to our little bit higher position size. And now we have the 21 moving average lining up on the 1 minute chart. So this is good. We don't have to be so aggressive in front of the move. So okay. Now if you doji back down, that would be great. Just based on position where we are on the charts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Three minutes. Yep, I didn't want to get smoked on that fake out right here. Nothing about momentum or what I'm seeing here on the futures like really told me, oh yeah, we have to be in it. So yep, even not even that candle. So and we have news in 2 minutes. I just don't want to be surprised. Okay, I like that candle. Too bad it's too close to news. So hopefully No news doesn't spike it either up or down, and then we can continue on to the downside. That's kind of my prediction, but let's trade the chart. Right now it's on the uptrend, so it's making this second leg. Let's see. It should reverse here, but then yep, we have 598 as another higher high to kind of have an intraday level. Mark that. Okay, 15 seconds more. Up or down. No bets on my end. I'm just trading what's in front of me. So far, pretty bullish. Higher highs on the 1 minute, but let's see on the pass. Okay, hello. Oh, rocket ship up. This is gonna be pretty important. Let's see if we can conquer 806. 806. So on here is 598.1. It's gonna be pretty important. The same. Actually, not really. This one's a little higher. Higher low. Higher low action. Yeah, it's a messy chart right now, but we do have legs up, legs down, legs up, legs down, and we could trade this right here in the intraday. I'm just waiting for a I'm just waiting for this to wane. Right now it's really looking like it wants to not do that. Okay. What of that move? even higher. Good. Good. Yeah, I knew. I want to put some risk on the table for that. I'm just gonna wait for the close. Okay, we're giving up some $10 here in in theta. Just waiting for the downturn if I do decide to go counter trend. Okay, let's take a position. Yep. 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 5%. We're gonna take everything off. Yep. Let's take everything off. Great win. Great win. Okay. A little extra. Oh man, we missed that. Oh well. This wasn't part of the system, so it's just price action. Oh man. That's money. Money. I'm gonna call this the trap counter trend. This is the first time I've taken a position like that, so it's just scalping kind of this action because it never goes straight up or straight down. It could, but chances are you'll have pullbacks, and I was waiting for the pullback to capture. So, and then we captured an easy 15% on 10.05, but I just decided to take half instead of my full. But then it kind of recoiled pretty aggressively, so that did shake me out. That did shake me out, so then here we are. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. We took an experimental price action counter trend. It involved kind of trapping any longers that wanted to long above this, and then we just went against it. We were just very patient, just kind of stalking, waiting for the stochastics to rotate over, and here we are. Now it has rotated. So nice easy win there. Guys, if you've made money, consider taking the rest of the day off or sizing smaller. No need to force yourself into chop unless you are a range trader, but even then, even if that is your primary strategy, you do have to wait for it to fully rotate out of the range highs or the range lows. So you're still waiting anyway. So it's not like you're taking many positions within kind of right now in this 1-2 minutes. No, you're waiting for it to react to a certain level, and then you take a position or decide the idea is has been the idea isn't right, and then you move on. So still you have to wait. So even if you're a range trader, you're still doing a lot of waiting. There's even less button pressing, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, at least scalping, at least my strategy, you are in and out of certain positions. Alright guys, catch you guys Wednesday. Hope you guys have been having a great Tuesday so far.